how to redeem Walmart gift card on the app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your Walmart gift card on app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to go ahead and then use your Walmart gift card on the application, you simply need to go ahead and then first of all launch the Walmart app that you can find here. Once you find the Walmart app, you have to use your gift card during the checkout process. So make sure you've added all of the products that you want to buy to your cart, and then just tap the cart option from the top right hand side of the screen. Now you want to continue to check out by tapping the continue to checkout button that you can find it over here. And after entering your delivery and shipping details, you'll be able to see this option over here that says payment method. So if you tap on the payment method option, you'll be able to see all of the payment method that they accept, and one of these is also basically your Walmart gift card, as you can find here. So what you need to do is just make sure to enter your gift card number over here as you would do normally. Once you enter your gift card number, in this case what you want to do is right over here you can see it will ask you to select card type. Tap on the card type option, and over here you have to select Walmart gift card, and then you simply need to enter the 4-digit pin of your Walmart gift card that you can find it over here as well. Then you just need to tap the checkout option or the save card option in order to successfully use this gift card. This way you can redeem your Walmart gift card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.